Welcome to Hanbridge Mandarin. In our last video, we focused on how to use the measure word 个 in different situations. Today we're going to introduce how to use the measure words correctly in question sentences. And we will also introduce another useful measure word for you. Whenever how small or how large number is, we can use 个 with all the different numbers in our statements as long as we have a specific number. 一个人、两个人、三个人、100万个人。But if we don't know the number and want to ask a question about the exact number, we use different words before the measure word depends on different quantity of the numbers. When quantities are less than 10, we can use 几 for how many or how much to ask for. Then we can use 多少 for how many or how much to ask for when numbers are greater than 10. Suppose we want to ask how many men are there. If there are only a few, we use 几个男人. If there is a group of men, we use 多少个男人. Let's see more examples. 几个苹果？多少个苹果？几个问题？多少个问题？有几个女人？有5个女人。你的公司有多少个男人？可能50个左右吧。But when it's more than one and we don't know the specific number, we use another measure word, 些. For example, 一个男人，一些男人，一个女人，一些女人，一些女人短头发更好看，一些女人长头发更好看。And the word 些 works on other different kinds of nouns too, similar as 个，一个苹果，一些苹果，一个杯子，一些杯子，一个问题，一些问题，一个想法，一些想法。In this way, you can use this or that together with 些 to point out the specific group you want to refer to when you don't know the exact number, and again the meaning of this or those. Let's take the women as the example. 这些女人，那些女人。And we can say 哪些女人 if we want to express which women. Let me show you some examples. 哪些女人是你公司的？这些女人是我们公司的，那些不是。Okay, that's all for today. Let's have a quick review. To ask a question about the number when the number is less than 10, we use 几 plus measure word like 几个. If the number is a greater number, we can use 多少 plus measure word like 多少个. And we learned measure word for an indefinite quantity 些, so we can say 这些 to mean these and 那些 to mean those. To ask which one, we say 哪个, and to say which ones, we say 哪些. Great job! I think you must know how to use the measure word correctly in sentences now. In our next video, we will introduce some frequently used measure word with clear and simple rule and explanations. We look forward to sharing that with you. If you like this video, please subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.